Well, aside from some grinding, this side is done. Finally. Need to do this side still. I gotta say, this is a job. The axle's upside down, that's why they're tipped that way. That I never want to do again. I had, when I got the backhoe, it was so bad. I had a piece of the pipe shoved in it, and it was like just beyond salvageable on the ends. So I bought ends. I didn't have an arc welder at the time, so I paid to have it done. And instead of welding them, well, if you're looking at the axle like it's on the machine, the ends kind of tip inward because the spindles, they're not perfect. They're actually kind of spread. And he welded them perfectly, like 90 parallel, whatever. So then the wheels on the back were tipped inward. So I had to cut it all apart and then just start all over again. So now that I have my own welder, I'm just doing it myself. But man, that's just not a fun job at all. I wish the previous owner had kept it greased and replaced the bearings when they got worn, instead of letting it get that bad.